Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a spherical joint on Fusion 360. Firstly, what we're going to do, going to create a kind of padish. So this will be the base of our robot arm. So what we're going to do is going to create a diameter circle. Click finish sketch. Extrude this up. And then we're going to click this plane. And we're going to create a sphere. Oh no, let's just drag this out. Make sure it doesn't overlap. Oh, no. We're gonna click edit sketch again. To make a sphere, we need to put a line through it and cut it in half. So trim to cut this off. Click finish sketch. Revolve. And click the axis here. And that should do it. Then we need to where is it? Okay, let's just delete this. Extrude to object this. And then okay, let's just X out of this. And let's just oh no. The cut, let's join. And let's just fillet this part up. Let's make it this. Now what we're going to do, we're going to create another sketch. We're going to hollow the inside out. Now we're going to click finish sketch. Revolve. Click the axis. And this will cut it in half. Then what we're going to do is we're going to construct a new plane. And push this up. No, not that. Cancel. We're gonna make any square bigger than this. So let's just quickly make a square bigger than this. Then we're going to click extrude and drag it down. And click OK. Inside the sketch. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do section analysis. Click this plane. Create a new sketch. Click this. And escape. So let's finish sketch firstly. And let's Control Z. 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 Yes, let's extrude this, but yeah, this should be enough. Now you're gonna section analysis this, create a sketch on this line, just to make sure it doesn't fall out. Create a ball. Shape's very weird, but okay. Now we're going to just size it up. and click finish sketch. Oh no, we have to make a sphere. I forgot. Let's make line and another line. Trim. Control Z. Finish sketch. Revolve. Axis. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we might be able to make a tangent plane, but instead, just going to make a plane on top of this. Click OK. And we're just going to make like a kind of robot arm. Oh. I have no idea what that is. Okay, now we're going to make a robot arm. We actually might have to turn off section analysis. Let's just turn this off. Okay. We're gonna make symmetric joint and just make this a little bigger. Then we're gonna make another sketch. Click finish sketch. Extrude. And we're just gonna make this. Shouldn't be too big. But it's gonna be like a robot armish, I think. No, I think that's I think I need to edit that. Let's just control C the log. Yeah, let's re-extrude this. I feel like I didn't put enough. Edit this sketch firstly. Needs to be a bit of a finished sketch. Extrude. Pull this up. Click OK. Let's fill it. Let me just make this like that. Then we can also just, and then we can also try fill it that. Now I can click section analysis. And yeah, that's it. So this could be used for robot arms. I've only made like about one shoulder bone. But that's it for today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.